During past years, worldwide aesthetic statistics show us that more and more patients asking for less invasive procedures. They don't want to have a big surgery like under the general anesthesia with cutting the skin, repositing tissue and so on with long-lasting rehabilitation period. No, they're asking for small injections with refreshing and not changing the face. That's why more and more injectable procedures are done in the world right now. But if we will look on the age of the aging process on the face, we have several problems. This is a skin problem, skin aging. This is atrophy of soft tissue. This is a mimic wrinkle and ptosis, depression of tissue. And we have to combine different kind methods like botoxin for the mimic, like fillers for the atrophy, like different kind injection stimulation for the skin. But when we have a ptosis, only one thing in the future was possible is a surgery. But now we have a thread lifting. We have a threads that gives us possibility to lift tissues up, to rejuvenate with just easy procedure like injectable procedure, which is thread lifting. Thread lifting is quite easy. It can be done in the procedure room, even by plastic surgeon or dermatologist, aesthetic dermatologist, for example. It can be done during 20 minutes only, without any skin cutting, just entering incision with a needle or cannula even, which is blunt tip cannula, which is not destroying vessels and which is not creating any swelling or hematomas inside of tissue of the face of the patient. And downtime, rehabilitation period is very soft. It can take between 2-3 days and maximum 4-5 days, depending of areas and depending of age of the patient. And during these times, they are even allowed to work or go out, and social activity is still present in the life of the patient. So it is still injectable procedure. What is more important, we are getting practically similar, close to surgical lifting effect with the threads if we will combine with other injectables like fillers, toxin and others. And also important that thread lifting can give us almost 2 years results. And threads which I am using, Aptos in my practice, for example, Aptos threads, they are long lasting, they are absorbed during 2 years. So it means that patient will achieve result for 2 years just in 20-minute procedure and maybe 1 or 2 days downtime. So it is easy to get lifting effect, immediate effect, but without surgery, with just injectable procedures.